Welcome. In front of me I have the XIAOMI LED Desk Lamp 2, and I'll go over unboxing along with a quick look at the product. So anyway, let me just locate my knife so I can cut my way into it. There we go. Now hopefully, once I take this out of the box, it will be a little bit smaller so it can fit in camera. But oh, there we go. Okay, I'm gonna place it on my lap right now, as I am dealing with limited amount of space. There's also something in here. So that'll be the plug. Cool. And different bits for it, so you can use it in UK and US. So I have the European one attached by default. Now here I presume we have the base, as it is pretty wavy. No, it's actually two parts. Yep, that's the base. It does have some heft to it, so just kind of drop it on here. And it looks like next to that we just have paperwork, and that's it. Okay, so throwing that to the ground, and I think I'm missing something. I'm definitely missing something. Oh, I'm missing this piece right here on the side. At least I think I am. Yep. Screw. And there we go. So that's what I was missing. So I don't actually have a screwdriver next to me, so I'll just basically put it together the most unsolid way possible. I'm just gonna like hand screw that thing in here, just so it holds a little bit. There we go, good enough. And this looks like it just attaches. There's a little button right here, so it clips into the top. There we go. And that's about it. This is actually swivelable, but it only looks like it moves like tilts. So you have just a tilt and nothing else. You can't move it to the sides. You can move it like this. And you can only just tilt it in that way. Anyway, let's grab the plug and connect it. Now this is supposedly Alexa and Google compatible, so it means that you can just turn it on with your voice, connected with Home Assistants and stuff like that. There we go. Which is pretty neat feature, though for a desk lamp that you're going to be using while sitting next to it, it seems a little bit redundant. Now we do have controls on here. Now if I just kind of move it like so, you can see we have the temperature of the light. We have warm, cold, then we have the timer, power on and off. I'm not sure what the book is for, and then the brightness. You can see it right now, just kind of blasting. Wow, it's definitely bright. Let's kind of go over these controls. So first, maybe lower the brightness. You can clearly see this works really well. Then in terms of the the saturation, you can see this change pretty nicely. In the book mode, I'm not sure why it got bright for a moment. Don't know what the point here is to this kind of, as you can see, dims for a moment, and then just stays. But that's the book kind of logo. Now you see the power on and off, which fades, which is pretty nice. Anyway, all in all, a pretty nice desk lamp with a bunch of functions, so can't really say anything bad about it. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.